Hello. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore different design techniques and tools in Adobe Illustrator CC. In today's video, we'll be looking at the vertical type tool in Illustrator. The vertical type tool allows you to create text that runs vertically instead of horizontally. This can be useful for designs that require vertical text, such as posters, banners, or even logos. To use the vertical type tool, click and hold on the type tool in the toolbar. This will open a drop-down menu, where you can select the vertical type tool. Then, click and drag to create a text box on your artboard. Once you've created your text box, start typing your text. You'll notice that the text runs vertically, which can be a bit tricky to read at first. You can scale and rotate it. To change the font or other text properties, open the Character panel by going to Window, Type and Character. Here, you can adjust the font, size, spacing, and other settings just like you would with horizontal text. One thing to keep in mind when using the vertical type tool is that the text will run from top to bottom, so you may need to adjust the layout of your design to accommodate this. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and stay tuned for more design tips and tricks on our channel. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.